Milan Linate Airport, ITA code LIN, is a city airport located in Milan. It is the third busiest airport in the Milan metropolitan area in terms of passenger numbers, after Malpensa and Bergamo. With the full opening of the M4 line from Linate to San Cristoforo, the connection between Linate Airport and Milan has been further enhanced. It is now possible to travel from terminal to terminal in 30 minutes and reach Linate Airport from the center of Milan in just 12 minutes. The M4 line, known as the Blue Line, operates daily from 5:40 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. During the night, the M4 service is replaced by the NM4 night bus line, which covers the route between Linate Airport and San Cristoforo with intermediate stops. To reach Linate Airport with the M4, you can pay directly with your credit or debit card without having to buy a paper ticket at the vending machines. Milan Linate Airport has a single terminal building with 3 levels. The terminal handles both domestic and international flights, with a capacity of about 9 million passengers per year. It features modern amenities, including shops, restaurants, and lounges. Level 0 is the ground floor, primarily used for arrivals and some gates, A1 to A16, B25 to B28, and the first floor for departures, security, and additional gates, a 17 to A21 with jet bridges, efficiently handling both domestic and international flights. It contains the baggage claim area, customs, and various transportation services. This level also houses car rental offices and some retail outlets. Level 1 is the main departures level. It contains check-in counters, security checkpoints, and the main shopping and dining areas. Passengers access their departure gates from this level. Level 2 is dedicated to additional departure gates and airline lounges. It offers panoramic views of the airport and houses some premium services for business and first-class passengers. The airport is served by several car parks, P-zones, of different categories: short-term, long-term, covered, uncovered. Drive along the road on the arrivals level. On your left, you'll find the entrance to the first short-stay car parking area. A second area is located a little further down the road outside arrivals. Drive up the ramp to the departures level. In front of the airport entrance, you will see 100 short-stay car parking spaces where you can park your car for up to 1 hour. The duration of your stay is monitored by the parking meter. For the parking spaces outside arrivals, you can pay at the automatic meters inside the airport or at the manned booths. If you are using the automatic meters, you can pay with Telepass Pay, credit, or debit card. As regards the spaces outside departures, payment can only be made using the meter. Parking costs in arrivals are as follows: up to 1 hour, €5 for every extra half hour, up to the 5th hour. Beyond the 5th hour of parking, the daily parking rate will be applied. Parking in the P2 executive car park at Linate is free for the first 20 minutes, including when you access the car park using a Telepass. In order to take advantage of the free parking, exit the car park in the Telepass lane or simply insert your ticket into the machine without going to the payment meter. There are specific metered short stay, pickup, drop-off zones on the departures level for dropping off passengers. These are monitored and limited to a short duration. Near arrivals, there are also metered spaces. Linate Airport in P2 Executive, the first 20 minutes are free, which can be useful to drop off. It is also possible to reach Linate by train, offering a convenient and fast alternative to get to the airport. To book a taxi ride to and from Linate, you can call the number 027-777, which can be used by any citizen, calling both from landline and mobile, or using the MIT app, Milan in Taxi. To directly contact one of the many active radio taxi services for Linate Airport, the telephone numbers of each operator are listed here. The main taxi fares to and from Linate are the following. There are 2 VIP lounges. Leonardo Exclusive Lounge in Linate is located in the boarding area, dedicated to Schengen and extra Schengen flights, gate A17 to A18, and has a surface of 794 square meters for a total of 145 seats. Piranesi Classic Lounge in Linate is located on the first departures floor. check-in area number 1, and has a surface of 185 square meters for a total of 40 seats. To access the VIP lounges, simply present the e-ticket received in the purchase confirmation email when you enter the lounge. The entrance to the VIP lounges beyond the security checkpoints is permitted only with a boarding pass. Access for children from 0 to 2 years old is free. Leonardo Exclusive Lounge is open from 5:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Piranesi Classic Lounge from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. With Linate Meeting Room, you will have available modern and well-equipped spaces situated in easily reachable areas, where you can organize work meetings, workshops, or events for the use of professionals, the business community, companies, associations, and corporations. Linate Center, located on the second floor of Linate Airport, close to the Territory d'Italia restaurant, is accessible to everyone and can be booked by the hour, half-day, or full day. The Fasttrack service at Milan Linate Airport is a convenient way to quickly access security checks and the boarding area through a dedicated path. Thanks to the Fasttrack lane, you can optimize your travel time and enjoy a stress-free experience. Whether you are a frequent flyer, a VIP customer, or an occasional traveler, there are several ways to enable Fasttrack access and make your journey through the airport smoother. Find out how to activate the service through your Club SEA card, online purchase, or dedicated vouchers. Explore the options to purchase access online or through the self-service machines in the airport, and get ready to experience a faster and more convenient travel experience with Fasttrack at Milan Linate. At Linate, proceed to the Fasttrack entrance and show your e-ticket to the staff along with your boarding pass. You can use the Fasttrack service if you have one of the following: a valid Club SEA Platinum or SEA Club Gold card, a valid e-commerce ticket purchased online, a valid Fasttrack voucher, a Fasttrack ticket purchased at the self-service machines. SEA Club members can also contact the VIP lounges at any time to be directly granted access to the Fasttrack gate. When it comes to food and shopping, Milan Airport has plenty to offer. The airport has a wide variety of restaurants and cafes, ranging from Italian cuisine to international fast food chains. Passengers can enjoy a cup of coffee and a croissant at one of the airport's cafes, or indulge in a full meal at one of the restaurants. There are also several bars and pubs for those who want to grab a drink before their flight. There are several sit-down restaurants in Linate Airport, including Obica Mozzarella Bar, which serves fresh mozzarella and Italian cuisine. Obica Mozzarella Bar is open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. The airport offers several bar and coffee shop options, including Cafe Milano, which serves coffee, pastries, and sandwiches, and Beer Code, which offers craft beer and light snacks. Cafe Milano is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., while Beer Code is open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're in a hurry, there are several fast food options, including Burger King and Autogrill. Burger King is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., while Autogrill is open 24/7. You can find a variety of shops and stores, including Bottega Verde, which sells natural beauty products, and Ferrari Store, which offers Ferrari-branded merchandise. If you need a snack or a drink, stop by Hudson News or Relay. The shops and stores are open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. There are several sit-down restaurant options, including Bistro Milano, which serves Italian cuisine and wine, and Rosso Pomodoro, which offers Neapolitan-style pizza. Bistro Milano is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., while Rosso Pomodoro is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Linate offers several bar and coffee shop options, including Cafe Lint, which serves coffee, chocolate, and pastries, and Panino Giusto, which offers sandwiches and snacks. Cafe Lint is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., while Panino Giusto is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're looking for a more relaxed dining experience, there are several sit-down restaurants to choose from. Briciole Bar e Cucina. Departures, airside, level 1, open from 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Cafe Milano. Departures, airside, level 1, open from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Puro Gusto. Departures, airside, level 1-1, open from 5 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Segafredo Zanetti Espresso. Departures, airside, Level 1 open from 5 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., 9 p.m. For a quick drink or a place to relax, there are several bars and coffee shops throughout the airport. Auto Grill, departures, landside. Level 1 open from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. There are 2 food courts available at Milan Linate Airport. One is located in the main terminal, while the other is in the boarding area. The food court in the main terminal has a variety of options, including Auto Grill serves a range of hot and cold sandwiches, pizzas, and pastries. Open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. McDonald's, the well-known fast food chain serving burgers, fries, and more. Open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Starbucks, the popular coffee chain serving a variety of coffee, tea, and other beverages. Open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Obica Mozzarella Bar offers a selection of traditional Italian dishes, including pizza, pasta, and mozzarella cheese. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Al Bar Bistro offers a variety of sandwiches, pastries, and beverages. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. The food court in the boarding area has several options for passengers waiting for their flights. These include Briciole Bar, offers a range of sandwiches, pastries, and hot drinks. Open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Spizzico serves a range of hot and cold sandwiches, pizza, and other Italian dishes. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tramezzino Dotted offers a selection of sandwiches, salads, and drinks. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Bar Sempione serves a variety of snacks, sandwiches, and beverages. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. For those looking for something to read or last-minute travel essentials, there are several newsstands located throughout the airport. Relay, located in the check-in area, Relay offers a selection of newspapers, magazines, and travel essentials. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Relay, located in the boarding area, Relay offers a selection of newspapers, magazines, and travel essentials. Open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. In addition to food and beverage options, LIN Airport has a great selection of shops. Passengers can browse through duty-free shops, fashion boutiques, and souvenir stores. The airport also has a pharmacy, a bookstore, and a newsstand. Whether you're looking for a last-minute gift or a new outfit, the airport has got you covered. Baggage claim areas at LIN Airport are located on the ground floor of the terminal building. There are 2 baggage claim areas, one for domestic flights and one for international flights. The baggage claim areas are easily accessible and well signposted, so passengers can easily find their way. Once passengers have collected their luggage, they can proceed to the customs area if necessary. At Milan Linate, you will find a free wireless connection that is fast and always available for passengers. Linate Free Wi-Fi offers you a totally free Wi-Fi connection with no registration and without any time limits, which grants you a speed of up to 20 megabits per second. The baggage wrapping service is available at the check-in area at Door 1, Door 2, and Door 4. Passport and immigration control is located on the first floor of the terminal. After passing through security, there are several passport control desks available for both EU and non-EU passengers. Additionally, there are automated passport control machines available for eligible passengers. These machines are located near the passport control desks and are clearly marked. Passengers are advised to have all necessary travel documents ready for inspection before reaching the passport control desks to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Milan Linate Airport offers shuttle transportation as Malpensa Shuttle, which connects Linate to Malpensa Airport. Tickets can be purchased on board, or Starfly coaches, which operate every 30 minutes to Milan's Lambrate and Central stations. Check their website for more details. Ride-sharing services like Uber are available at Milan Linate Airport. Designated pickup and drop-off areas are located outside the terminal. Use the app to request a ride and follow signs to the correct location. Rental car facilities are located within the airport. Providers include major companies such as Hertz, Avis, and Europcar. Visit their counters in the arrivals area for assistance. If you are traveling to Milan and looking for convenient and comfortable accommodations near the Linate Airport, here's a list of some of the best options for you. These hotels are all situated in close proximity to the airport, making them ideal for air travelers. Whether you're on a brief layover, an extended stay, or a business trip, these hotels offer a range of amenities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free experience. From chic and modern establishments like the Moxie Milan Linate Airport to the comfortable and pet-friendly Best Western Air Hotel Linate, there is something for everyone. For travelers seeking a more residential style of accommodation, the Residenza Segrate Centro Novegro and L'Appartamento di Mango e Pistacchio offer a comfortable home away from home. If you prefer a hotel with a pool and a garden, consider staying at the Fasthotel Linate or the Belstay Milano Linate. Regardless of your preference, each of these hotels ensures a comfortable stay with essential amenities like complimentary Wi-Fi, easy access to public transportation, and close proximity to popular attractions.